Hi, and welcome to the Software Cast Generators video demo. In this particular video demo, I will be sharing with you exactly what you will be receiving in this particular video course. Plus, I'll also be giving you a sneak peek preview of some of the videos themselves. Software Cast Generators video series is a 7-part, step-by-step video course, and it shows you how to quickly and easily create your own hot-selling softwares, even if you don't know a single line of code or you're not technical savvy. You don't need to know software programming in order to create successful and profitable software products. Now, this is not just another video product with theory. It's actually taken from true results from a successful software business owner. You get to take what he's learned over the years, and you don't have to make the same mistakes that he has done. Now, as you know, software has a high perceived value, so it sells like hotcakes. But the one big roadblock that people have is they don't know where to start. You might not know where to start, you might not be technical savvy, but it's okay. In this video course, you're going to learn how to approach software development from a very easy perspective and a very easy system that you can implement. In fact, if you know how to create a to-do list, I will show you how to easily create software requirements that you can give to your programmer and have the software develop very, very quickly. Very similar concepts. Now, without further ado, I'm going to talk about the 7-part video series in a little more detail, and I'll give you a sneak preview of some of the videos themselves. Video 1, of course, is the introduction on software creation. In this video, you're going to learn basically an overview of what you will be learning. I'll be talking about all the other videos a little bit of more detail so you know what to expect. Then I'll talk about the tools that you're going to need to get started. Fortunately, you're not going to need a lot of tools. You will need some money though, because of course you're going to be investing in hiring a software programmer. I'll talk a little more about that later. Video 2 is going to be about software ideas, creating a software idea, how to go about creating and finding profitable software ideas. In fact, I will show you three simple ways that will take you less than 5 minutes each way to find and create software ideas. Video 3 is about determining what the software does. Once you figure out what you want to do, then you can go about planning or creating exactly what the software does. You're not necessarily creating an outline or blueprint yet. You're just trying to figure out what you want the software to do. Now, before I move forward, I do want to show you a glimpse of what the videos look like. Video 1 is actually basically simple, so it's pretty much a PowerPoint based video, but I talk about what you need and things like that. Now, before actually moving forward, I want to get to video 4 here. Video 4 is going to be about planning your software. Planning your software. Once you get all the details, what you want the software to be, what exactly you want it to do, you're going to need to put it all together into a nice blueprint so that you can hand over to the programmer and have him or her develop the software product. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Very, very simple. In fact, once you get videos 2 and 3 done, you pretty much are almost done. Video 4 is just finding whether your software should be web-based, whether it should be Windows-based. And we'll talk more about that in that particular video. Video 5 is about taking all that you've learned, video 2, 3, and 4, planning the software, giving it to the software programmer, and having it created. Now, it's very easy to do, but there are several things that you need to understand before just hiring any programmer. You need to know how to, number 1, find trustworthy programmers, how to pinpoint a good and bad programmer, how to keep yourself safe, because you don't want to invest money and lose it, because there have been many cases where I've invested money and people have just ran with the money. So I don't want you to make the same mistakes that I have made. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to go about doing that. Video 5, of course, I'm going to give you a sneak peek preview of it. This is video 5, and then we have a bunch of screen capture in it. So I show exactly what you should be doing in the particular video. And of course, video 6 is about testing and maintaining your software. Basically, by now you have created your software, so now it's time to test it out. In this video, you'll learn how to test your software. Testing is very important, because if you don't test and you release your software product, then let's say you have lots of bugs. If that's the case, then you're going to have more support tickets. That means you have to spend more time sitting at your computer having to support people. I made the mistake of doing that when I launched my first software. I did test it, but I didn't test enough. And I did have a lot of beta testers test it, but I could have done better. So I will show you my mistakes in that video so that you can learn to fix the bugs way in advance and test it and make sure that it works. Because you don't want to have more support and you don't want to have more refunds. Think about it. It doesn't work on somebody's computer. They're just frustrated and they get so angry that, of course, they either write you back with an email. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I've tried everything. It doesn't work. What's up? And you get a refund. Either that, or you just get the added frustration in addition to that. Then I'm also going to talk about maintaining your software. What do you need to do once you release your software? And maintenance is important, because once you develop your software, maintaining consists of updating it, adding new features and things like that, which can be added cost, yes, but I'll show you how to lower your costs. At the same time, at that time, you'll be getting more customers, and you can build a relationship by maintaining your software. And of course, video 7 is the bonus. It's not actually part of the video 1 through 6. Video 1 through 6 is pretty much how to create a software product. Video number 7 is a bonus on how to recycle and create software at lightning speeds. What I'll be doing is showing you a specific system that I personally have used. I don't know of a lot of people that are using this, but those that use this, it can be very, very profitable for you. I'm basically and literally giving you my secrets of my software business for a part of my software business that helped me succeed in certain areas. So I'm not going to give it away too much. This is the video here. I'll show you a little bit, but I won't show you a lot. Let's run through it. There's a bunch of screen capture plus PowerPoint in there, so you'll get to see step by step exactly what I do. In fact, this whole video series, you'll see a mixture of PowerPoint and screen capture. But I like to show screen capture too, because I can show you over my shoulder exactly what I do. So with that said, grab this video series today and learn how to start making even more money by creating your very own hot-selling software products. Now, this is one of the most risk-free ways to get started in your own successful software business. You get to learn step by step from me how to create your successful software business. And if you learn the system, you can go and do this over and over again. Thank you, and to your success, and look forward to seeing you on the inside.